What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're finally going to be installing the racing seats onto the G35. I am so freaking happy, guys. These are my first ever racing seats. I've wanted seats for as long as I can remember, and I finally have them, and they're going into the car, and I am so hyped. I ended up doing one off camera because I've never done this before, so I wanted to see what I was kind of getting myself into, and I knocked it out sort of quickly. Let's just get into it. It's starting to get a little later in the day, and it's still a weekday, so I have work tomorrow morning, so this has to be done. Cruising with no seat. So, hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and let's just get straight into it. First, let's go ahead and get the battery disconnected because you do have some cables underneath the seats and some airbag wiring from what it looks like. So just to take precaution, let's go ahead and just disconnect the negative terminal, and then you guys should be good from there. So actually, I went ahead and hooked that back up because before you do that, you want to get all of these bolts out. So we're gonna go ahead and move the seat all the way back. And I believe it was this one. Yeah, so the bolts are actually going to be a 15. So let's go ahead and get all those, the front two removed, move it forward, get the rear two removed. Alright, for the backs, you're going to have these clips. I was kind of like tripping at first because I didn't see it, but they pull up just like that. And you're gonna have them right there. Let's go ahead and get those two removed. Now for the fun part, seeing what's under the seat. Let's go ahead and tilt it back. Oh, all right, so we have a water bottle, and what is that, an orange? That's so gross. So we're gonna get this all, well actually let's get the seat removed first, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean up this mess.
You see me with somebody living better, I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gonna have you jealous, I know that gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Stain. It was the same thing on the other side, but it's much better, and we got the carpet vacuumed as well. So now, before we pull the seat out or bring the seat out here, let's go ahead and pull this off. I believe this one is a 14. Yes, so this one's a 14, and I honestly do think those other bolts are 14s as well. One of them got stuck, like it wouldn't come out. It was like stripping. Put a 14 and it fit perfectly, so I think those ones might be 14s as well, but don't quote me, it could be 14 or 15. So the passenger seat is gonna have to come out probably this weekend, just because like I said, this is my first time doing it, and this is all on one side, all these washers, and then it goes into here and then into a bolt. Well, I put these on the opposite side, if you know what I mean. So that's gonna have to come out and be redone. I forgot how it was when I took it off, but it is what it is. It's a simple fix. I mean, it's on there hella tight, but I think the way this is set up is it just makes it to where you can move this, and that still does move, don't get me wrong, but we're gonna do it right, and we're gonna end up redoing it this weekend. Guys, so I couldn't find a nut that went into the OEM one. So I'm actually using new hardware. They are 7/16 inch by 14. So just so you guys can know, 7/16 by 14, or yeah. So I'm using these, and what I'm doing is move this. So I'm removing all of this, and now that I know how it goes, and we're pretty much just transferring it right on to this side. Just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and transfer this now over to here, and then we have to tighten the actual bottom bolts that hold the seat to the mount. I'm gonna sort of just eyeball it like I did on the passenger seat, but if you look, we do have some play. You know, there is some play. So I'm just gonna try to center it pretty much, and if I need to readjust it, I will. It's just 4 bolts, and it comes right out, and this is a lot lighter than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this tightened down, get it in the car. There it is. Now all I have to say is I took a test seat in it, and it's low. So either one, I'm gonna need to put spacers on the bottom because it's insane low, or 2, the bracket that's on that seat, I'm gonna have to get one for this side. But you can see the height difference from, I don't know if you can really tell or not, but bros. Oh, I mean, this might be perfect. Ah, it's low. It's pretty freaking low. But, dude, bros, we have seats. What is this? Oh my God, guys. Fucking hyped. All right, final thing. Take the covers off. So excited. All right, guys. I literally don't want to take this off, but here we go. Oh. This seat, guys, is so low. Oh my God. So good. All right, let's get that other one off. We're gonna pull the car out. I'm gonna try to put these seats somewhere over there just so they're out of the way, sorta, and then take it for a drive. Oh my God, just look at that, guys. This interior is seriously coming together. Oh, I don't even want to sit in it. Oh, I forgot to plug in the seatbelt thing. Shit. I wonder if I could try to do that real quick without taking this all apart. Let me try to figure it out. I forgot to plug it in. All right, guys, all fixed. So let's go ahead and hop in. And by the way, those are for sale. If anybody wants them, let me know. I do not have any room for them. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go for, I need a booster seat. I'm sure I've been saying that a lot the past few minutes, but I really can't see shit. I don't like sitting this low. But let's go ahead and go for a ride and see if it's tolerable for now. These are gonna definitely take getting some used to. Scrape. I should have set the GoPro up for this. Now I feel like I'm sitting too close. Too close. But damn. How good they look. Comment down below. Once the paint job is done, guys, oh my God. This is gonna be bad. And these are actually very comfy. Very, very comfortable. Oops. There goes my steering wheel. Oh, they just I'm so stoked. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I need something red in the back now to kind of go with everything, but oh, these are nice. Yeah, definitely need it to sit as high as that, because when I sat there, it was perfect. I mean, look how low, for example. Okay, this is literally to the bottom of that, and then look at here. It's like all the way up here, if you guys can tell. So definitely need to lift it a bit. Hopefully I don't need any bolts though, but if I do, I'll just get some from Home Depot, and we'll probably knock it out honestly this week. And I'll probably do that off camera though, just because it's nothing too exciting. But I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna really test these bad boys out. Pick up the camera as soon as we are back home. Alright guys, well this is where I'm going to go ahead and leave this video off. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you guys aren't already. Let's go ahead and hit 3,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. Let's take one last look at the seats. I'm so happy guys. The interior is seriously coming together. This is the cleanest it has ever looked in quite a while. So I'm very happy with the progress that is being made. And like I said, there's still more to come for the interior, and then the exterior is so close to being near completed, so we can go ahead and send it off for paint. So I'm very happy. So if you guys want to stay up to date with all of that, make sure you subscribe, and if you already are, hit that bell notification so you guys are notified every time I drop a video. I'm starting to stutter because I'm extremely tired. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. Hope to catch you all in the next one, and until next time guys, as always, peace out.